Principal, principal, principal. The principal gave a speech at the school assembly. Vice principal, vice principal, vice principal. The vice principal is responsible for student discipline. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Our science teacher always makes the lessons interesting. Head teacher, head teacher, head teacher. The head teacher called a meeting with the parents. Homeroom teacher, homeroom teacher, homeroom teacher. Our homeroom teacher organizes all class activities. Teaching assistant, teaching assistant, teaching assistant. The teaching assistant helps students with their homework after class. School counselor, school counselor, school counselor. The school counselor provided advice on choosing a career path. Librarian, librarian, librarian. The librarian recommended some excellent books for our project. School nurse, school nurse, school nurse. The school nurse checked the students' temperatures during flu season. Janitor, janitor, janitor. The janitor cleans the classrooms and hallways every evening. Student, student, student. The student asked a thoughtful question during the lecture. Pupil, pupil, pupil. The teacher praised the pupil for her excellent handwriting. Class monitor, class monitor, class monitor. The class monitor collected the homework from all the students. Vice monitor, vice monitor, vice monitor. The vice monitor helped the teacher organize the class seating arrangement. Professor, professor, professor. The professor delivered an inspiring lecture on environmental science. Postgraduate, postgraduate, postgraduate. The postgraduate is conducting research on renewable energy. Master's student, master's student, master's student. The master's student presented her thesis on data analytics. Department head, department head, department head. The department head organized a meeting to discuss the new curriculum. Coach, coach, coach. The coach encouraged the team to keep practicing for the upcoming tournament. Answer, answer, answer. She gave a correct answer to the tricky question. Ask, ask, ask. The student asked the teacher for extra help after class. Assembly, assembly, assembly. The principal spoke at the school assembly this morning. Bad mark, bad mark, bad mark. He got a bad mark because he didn't study for the test. Break, break, break. The students enjoy playing games during their lunch break. Class, class, class. Our biology class was very interesting today. Classmate, classmate, classmate. My classmate helped me with the group project. Course, course, course. She is taking an advanced math course this semester. Course book, course book, course book. We need to buy the course book for the English class. Curriculum, curriculum, curriculum. The school's curriculum includes both science and arts subjects. Debate, debate, debate. The students had a lively debate about climate change. Drop out, drop out, drop out. He decided to drop out of school and start working. Exam, exam, exam. She is nervous about her final exam next week. Exam results, exam results, exam results. He was thrilled to see his excellent exam results. Excellent student, excellent student, excellent student. She was awarded a medal for being an excellent student. Fail an exam, fail an exam, fail an exam. He was disappointed to fail an important exam. Workbook, workbook, workbook. The workbook contains additional exercises for practice. Good mark, good mark, good mark. She got a good mark on her history essay. Grade, grade, grade. The teacher graded our assignments over the weekend. Revise, revise, revise. He revised his notes before the math test. Study, study, study. She studies 2 hours every day to prepare for exams. Take an exam, take an exam, take an exam. We will take an exam on world history tomorrow. Pass an exam, pass an exam, pass an exam. She was overjoyed to pass her driving exam. Write, write, write. He wrote a letter to his favorite teacher. Teach, teach, teach. She teaches English to international students. Listen, listen, listen. The students listened carefully to the teacher's instructions. Participate, participate, participate. He participated in the school's annual sports day.